My memorable experience as a district governor was when I visited Chennai for Division G conference in last April. In fact, I have been to many division conferences, but this division conference was a unique one because the amount of enthusiasm I saw, the quality of speeches, and the camaraderie that all of them had right throughout the conference. Now, I have been to several conferences when I see there's quite a good crowd in the morning, but by afternoon the crowd has diminished. But this particular conference, I saw the crowd remaining as it is from beginning until end. Even after the conference was over, they didn't want to leave. They were still sharing their memories. They were having conversations. They were sharing their experience. So that was one of the greatest memorable experiences I had during my term as district governor. To me personally, the biggest learning was being able to be patient, because this leadership right throughout as a Toastmaster, um, you get various kinds of requests, demands, and questions bombarded onto you by Toastmasters. They can be related to Toastmasters or they can be outside Toastmasters, sometimes annoying you. But I learned the art of being patient, absorbing all these emotional outbursts and behaving as how servant leadership behave. A servant leader should behave in any condition. I have faced severe conflicting situations, and I have faced situations where I I had to take an impartial decision. So in all these instances, patience paid me a lot. Because I was very patient, I did not lose my nerve. I was able to keep my head straight as a district governor as it should be. And I think I succeeded successfully in doing that. Patience, I think, was the greatest learning. That's an excellent question, I would say, because Toastmasters would address the youth very much. Because as youth, being able to communicate effectively is very important. Not necessarily public speaking. For example, communicating with your own parents, communicating with your own spouse, communicating with your children, your bosses, or whatever. No, a very little thing is enough to have a misunderstanding and to have a great conflict. So it is very important that we, as youth, you learn the art of effective communication, where you are able to express your idea or your opinion without offending the other person, and also respecting the other person's views and beliefs. So this is a great learning that you can have from Toastmasters, being able to effectively communicate and avoiding conflict. In fact, it is very important that the senior Toastmasters continue to spread their experience and knowledge, share their experience and knowledge with all the other Toastmasters. Sometimes it is very difficult for a person to find time to come to a Toastmaster meeting or guide the younger or Toastmasters who have just joined. But I think as a senior Toastmaster who has derived benefits from this Toastmastering, it is very important that you share your experience and your knowledge with the youth and upcoming Toastmasters, so that this movement will grow strong and become a very closely knitted group of people in this region of the world. From 1st of July last year until today is my last day as district governor. The journey has been very eventful, I would say. There has been times of joy and there has been times of sorrow and there has been times of suspense. I thank all Toastmasters who have been a vital element in the district's success. The district today has become a distinguished district, and I am sure very soon we will get to know the result from World Headquarters whether we are President's Distinguished or not. But whatever it is, every single Toastmaster, with your membership payment, with your educational achievement, with your reaching your club goal, all of you have contributed immensely to the growth of the district and the success of the district. And I thank you all wholeheartedly. And my promise to you is I will remain in the district sharing my experience and my learning with all of you to make this district the best district in the world for many more years to come.